All right. You guys ready? All right, I'm going to read these word problems, and you guys are going to make a number sentence. Remember how we would make a line and a plus sign, a line and equal sign in a line? That's called a number sentence, right? All right, making sure. Okay, so you're going to make one of those, and you're going to solve the problem, okay? So here we go. Miss Shayna had 9 erasers. Miss Amanda had 3. How many do they have all together? Miss Shayna had 9 erasers and Miss Amanda had 3. How many erasers did they have together? Don't talk. Braylee, what's up, sister? What do you mean? You're just writing a number sentence. So tell me what you're adding, and then tell me your sum. Okay. Yep, just like that. But now you got to fill in your blanks. Did that answer your question? Okay. Atticus, what you need, buddy? Yeah, you're just going to make your number sentence and then fill in your blank. What'd you say? Number 2 is going to be next, and I'll read it. Honey, I can't tell you the numbers. No, this is a test. You can't talk. No. You just write one. You write one word problem. If I get another question, number 2. Raise your hand if you are not ready for number 2. Okay, I won't go on. Shh. Raise your hand if you're not ready for number 2. Okay, when you're ready, I need your hand on your head. That way I know we can move on. Shh. That's going to fall in the floor. tapping your pencil. You ready? If your hand is not on your head, I'm going to assume that you are done. All right, number 2. Mr. Prince had 7 crayons, and Miss Crystal gave him 3. How many crayons does he have now? You were on number 2. I'm sorry. Get quiet, please. Number 2. Mr. Prince had 7 crayons. Miss Crystal gave him 3. How many crayons does he have now? Turn around, Bentley. When you're finished, hand on your head. Hunter. It's okay. It's broken. Oh, thank you. Can you put them on my desk? Please. Shh. Every time Mr. John comes and checks it, he unlocks it. Because you... Yeah. When you're finished, what are you supposed to do? Put your hand on your head. Raise your hand if you are not done. Okay. Turn your page. You should be on number 3. Number 3. Get quiet. Okay. Says Miss Tanya, my contacts just had 19 pieces of paper. She just kidding. Miss Tanya had 9 pieces of paper. She found 1 more piece. How many does she have in all? She had 9 pieces of paper. She found 1 more. How many pieces of paper does she have in all? What, Remy? I know.
What are you doing?
I'm making you guys something for next week, for spelling. We're going to be going over open syllables. So I'm making you guys this piece of dry erase tape, and we're going to fold it so that it has a front and back, and then you're going to kind of fold a little piece of it again, and it'll look kind of like, well, I think I made one over here. It'll look like this.
You made several.
Shh. It'll look like this. So this will make the word a closed syllable word, and then this will make the word a open syllable. So like take the word no, for instance. If I put, okay, so I have no, look, you see, I have no, it's an open syllable, but I closed it and added a consonant, now it's closed. You get it?
Yeah.
Open syllable, closed syllable. Yeah, so we're going to do all of our words on these next week.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Raise your hand if you are not ready for number 4. Okay, then we all need to get quiet. Shh. I love dry erase tape. Shh. Shh. Okay. I'm moving on to number 4. Miss Lindsay had 5 pieces of candy, and 5 suckers. How many did she have altogether? Miss Lindsay had 5 pieces of candy and 5 suckers. How many did she have altogether? Get quiet. Miss Lindsay had 5 pieces of candy and 5 suckers. Did it break again? Well, then use one of the other ones you have at your table. Guys, please stop talking. What? I'm sorry, I'm right here. We're on number 4. Oh, number 6. What? Yeah, then wait. Then wait. Amir, sit down. Amir, put your hand down. You're not going to the bathroom. You just came back. Okay, when you're finished, flip your paper over. You should be on number 5. Raise your hand if you are not on number 5. You're not ready for number 5. Okay. Number 5 says, Miss Shayna has 6 markers, and Miss Ashley gave her 3. How many does she have altogether? Miss Shayna had 6 markers. Miss Ashley gave her 3. How many does she have altogether? You should be on number 5. Yeah, that page. Make sure that you looked at your numbers correctly. Okay? Yes? What? I don't know what you are trying to tell me. You need to use your words. Bring me your paper. Get your pencil. Right here. Miss Tanya had 9 pieces of paper. No, hang on. We've already done that one. Miss Shayna had 6 markers. And Miss Ashley gave her 3. How many does she have altogether? Don't tell me. Write it down. Okay. Raise your hand if you're not ready for number 6. If you're not ready for number 6, raise your hand. All right. Keep working. All right, you can go ahead and go sit down. Shh. This is hard to not mess up. Shh. I'm going to do it as soon as everybody's done. Patience. Tingle sorry. Raise your hand if you are ready. Raise your hand if you are not ready for number 6. Okay. Miss Amanda has 3 folders. Miss Tanya gives her 4 more. How many does she have altogether now? So Miss Amanda has 3 folders. Miss Tanya gives her 4 more. How many does she have altogether now? Shh. Mr. Eric Jones. Guys. Shh. When you're finished. Oh, wait, when you're finished, when you're done with that one, that's it. You put your testing vote down.